What's cranking? What's shaking? Danglers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a very special brand new video. First video 2024. We were out here going to be doing a little bit of river fishing, so it is the first real nice day of springtime here in Michigan. It is currently February 4th. It's like 45 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky. Absolutely just stunningly beautiful day. And I decided we should start off the year with a little bit of river fishing. So hopefully within the next week we'll be able to hit the lakes. But for right now, we're gonna do a little bit of river fishing. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to really throw. I have very bare minimum equipment. I barely brought any of my stuff this time along. Normally, even when I river fish, I always bring a whole bunch of my stuff. This time I didn't. I actually kept it very bare minimalistic, making it easy, not making it super challenging for me. We're just gonna get out here and have some fun. So whether we catch fish or not, we're just gonna make a day of it, have some fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. So stick around, stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully let's rip some lips, let's have some fun, let's get to cranking. Let's go. On the yak in a few months. Boy, does it feel good. Oh. Whew, man. Boy, does it feel good to be back out here. Now, the river is up. Obviously, being early spring, it's not as high as it was about a week ago. It's gone down quite a bit, so, but nonetheless, it's still up. Again, don't know what to expect. I don't even know how to fish the river this early in the year, so it's all going to be pretty brand new. Oh, that was a fish, dude. I didn't even realize that was a fish. Holy shit, I don't know what it was. Oh man, that got me. Oh dude, I didn't even realize what it was, man. I thought I had a log on. Oh, damn. That was I think it was a smallmouth. Oh dude, damn it. Oh, fucking first fish of the year. Here's a fucking miss. Sick, dude. Sick. God, man, it does feel good to get out on the water, though. Oh, nice, dude. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, he's got like a leech on him, bro. Oh. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's got like he's got a leech on him. Oh. Here, buddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's got a few parasites on him. Ugh. Buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I don't have any pliers on because otherwise I'd take that thing off him. Dude, look at that. That is weird, bro. Oh, that's a parasite that's on him. That is a parasite that's on him. Ugh. And he's wiggling around too. That is a... Ooh, ooh. Get out of here. Ugh. The fuck out of here. Go back down there. Dude, fucking weird. Oh man, he is just hooked with a few. Careful, because he is... Oh, that was disgusting, man. That was a big fucking leech. Ugh. Big parasite, man. Alright. Wow. Good fucking fish. That's so cool. I don't have my board on me because otherwise I'd measure them, but that's a beautiful fish, so man. Beautiful fish. Okay. Right back down. First fish of the year, baby. Let's go, man. Straight out of a horror movie. Ugh. Good thing I caught him. He was probably like, man, thank God. This thing's latched onto me, sucking me dry. There we go again. Oh. 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 That's not him again, man, is it? Oh, that's a different one. Let's go. Oh. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh. Ooh, he's a long one, baby. Oh, yeah. Another one, man. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous looking fish. That's two, baby. Let's go.